Hey SBR Nation, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roena Robinson. I am your SBR queen, of course. And if you're new here, hi, how are you? Welcome. I hope you enjoy my channel and I hope that you stay tuned. If you're not new here and if you've been rocking with the SBR Nation and your original SBR boss babe, then you don't know. You don't know the pre-net, you don't know the settings. Today I'm doing a highly requested video. This video is how to apply your lashes, alright? And it's very beginner friendly. This is them now. And it's the strip lashes, okay? The lash that I use in this video, I think I said it in the video, but I'll just reiterate that I use the new Cali lashes, and I literally got these off Amazon. Don't pre these two top two up here. Yeah, these are not. These are the lashes that I'm using. These wispy looking ones. Okay, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. And without further ado, let's get into it. This is a highly requested one. People have been sending me DMs on Instagram. If you don't follow me, follow me. It is at styled_by_Roena, or you can follow my personal page at Roena_Robinson. You can send me DMs of what you would like to see me do next and stuff like that. So, people have always been asking me, Ro, how do you apply strip lashes? Is it hard? What do you do? What are some tips? What are some tricks? And today I'm going to show you guys that in this video. I apply my lashes after I've completed my makeup, alright? So I would have done my eyeshadow, my eyebrow. I would have done all that already, simply because I hate seeing like when there's eyeshadow particles stuck in your eyelashes. I don't like it, so I make sure that I apply it after I've done. Alright, just checking that this is good, because this is still drying because I just put this on before. Alright, so after I've now done that, what I do is I take my lash strip. So in today's video I am using the new Cali lashes. I got them off Amazon, so I'm using the new Cali lashes. Alright, so I take my lash out. I get my lash glue. If you have been rocking with my channel for a time, you already know what lash glue I use, but if you haven't, and if you're new here, welcome. I use the duo lash glue. I'm trying to find it. So I use this, the duo lash glue, and it's white, but when it dries, or when it's drying, it becomes blue. So what I do is I put, by the way, this is the brush applicator. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's a brush applicator, so I literally just brush it on. I find that it's easier to use, yeah, because then I have more control over it. So I literally just brush it on. Alright, so when I just brush it on, it is very white, right? But what I do, and this is a major tip, especially if you're a beginner, what I do is I allow this to go tacky. I allow it to dry a bit. I don't put it on just now because it's too wet and it might like shift and move and I would not be able to control it that much. You see, when it's tacky, it sticks quickly. So I find that it's better to use then. If I were to apply this right now, like, I know it wouldn't stick because it's very wet. So when I apply the lash glue to it, I put it down and I go find something else to do, right? So after I finish my foundation and everything and my blush and whatever, this is when normally I would put the lash glue on and then I go do my lips, because by the time I finish doing my lips, then this should be just tacky enough so that I can put it on where I want it to be put on, and I have just a little bit of movement in it so that I can shift it if it's not placed right, but not too fluid, you get it? So the thing I love about this particular glue is that, you see, once it's becoming tacky, once it's becoming dry, it starts to look blue. Can you see? This is the white, and can you see that it has a hint of blue in it? So when it becomes tacky and when it's starting to dry, it becomes a bit bluish, right? So you can tell when whatever. So I keep flashing it. And some people will say like don't blow on it. When I'm doing like a client's makeup, I don't blow on it simply because I can transfer bacteria or whatever. But if I'm doing my own, yeah, I'm just gonna blow on it. By the way, for this makeup look, it'll be on my channel, so you can definitely go check it out. All right, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and check out my other videos. I've done eyebrow tutorials, I've done how to do a two-toned eyeshadow look, and now I've done a flawless foundation look. So make sure you guys go check that out. All right, and share with somebody who doesn't know how to do it, you know. All right, so I feel like this should be enough drying for now. I'm gonna put this on now. It's still a bit wet, but as I said, this is not gonna be a long video, and because I'm talking you right through, I need to get to it. So as you can see, it is still quite wet, but it's a bit tacky in it. So we're gonna just put this on now. Pro tip: ensure that your natural lashes are together before you apply this, because you don't want them to be flying different way. You know, the natural lashes, sometimes you don't know what they're doing, they're just flying all over the place. For me to combat that, I use my mascara, and I use it and literally make sure that I can see where everything is, because I don't want to put on my lash strip and then have them bungled together and some on top and some below, you know. No, so I need to get it uniformed. All right, so now that I've gotten it uniformed, are you able to see? Right, now that I've gotten them uniformed, I can now direct where I put this strip. I come from Jamaica. I'm joking. I mean, I'm not joking, I'm from Jamaica, obviously. But what I do now is I use this. You can see that it's blue now, yeah? And you can see that you're not seeing as much white as before. You can see the blue, right? So that means it's tacky, it's dry, and it's ready to apply. So obviously, because we just applied our mascara, our natural lashes are together, as you can see. So all I do is I come down from like above the natural lashes. And if you see me looking here, that's because my mirror is right here, all right? So I come down from above, right? You probably want to look, if you're a beginner, you probably want to look down for this step because it's easier, right? So hold it, and you're gonna, because we come down from top, right? So that means there's none of your natural lashes are above. So now what you want to do is you want to put the lash, stick it just above, or if you like your lashes to be on your actual lashes. Some people don't like it because when you're taking it off, you might tear it out. But if either way, put it either just above your lash line, or you can put it on your lashes. For this one, because I didn't use any liquid eyeliner to like line the bottom of just above my eyelid area, I'm gonna put it just on my eyelashes, like just on it. And then I'm gonna use my little nails and make sure that the inner bit sticks. You want to make sure that this inner bit sticks, guys, because it doesn't look cute when you have on your nice makeup and then your lashes start lifting. And they start lifting from the ends, mostly from the inner ends for most people. That's not cute. So make sure when I'm putting on the glue, I concentrate most of the glue on the outer ends of the lash. So that means when I'm putting it down here, it should have enough glue to stick. And you see I'm pushing it down. I'm pushing down each end because I want it to stick. I don't want it to lift. If the middle lifts, that's fine. You see, if the end lifts, yeah, it's because it's gonna just start tearing off from there, and you don't want that. You don't want your ends to start tearing off. Okay, never ever want that. All right, so yeah, and it's as simple as that. And you see, because it was tacky, you realize that when I had put it down, it didn't shift that much because it was tacky. And as I said, when it's tacky, it sticks quite easily, so you don't need to like have to stay there all day and stuff like that. No, none of that. Especially if you're rushing as well, that's a major tip, because man, that saves you time having to sit down there. And I see some people use a blow dryer to do this, and I just think all you have to do is just learn this pro tip just before you finish your makeup. So when you have like probably your lips left to do, or just to apply a bit of highlight if that's what you want to do, or something like that, just do it before that step. Because once you put on the glue and you leave it to rest a bit, and you go and you finish up and you titivate up on whatever you're doing, after that, trust me, like the glue's gonna be dry. It's gonna be tacky. Not dry, because you don't want it dry, because it's gonna be tacky enough that you can put it on and put it where you want it to be, and it sticks. And as you can see, I just did that. It's as simple as that. There's nothing too extravagant about it. All right. And what I do next is very simple. I go back in with my mascara. This is the W7 Flirty Eyes Falls Lash Effect Mascara, and I'm gonna make sure that I just rub it on my real lashes and my fake lashes, just so they intertwine, so that they become one. There's no spaces between them. And I'm also gonna go on the bottom lashes. I love this lash applicator. There's a dip in the middle and like out towards the end it gets fuller. It allows me to really reach the little short lashes, yeah, without getting it messy and stuff like that. So it's really nice. The sun is back out in all its glory. Hey girl, hey. And that is it for me, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for, staying tuned and watching the full video. Comment down below. Remember to include hashtag SBR Nation to get a chance to be shouted out. All right. And I'll see you in another video, guys. Take care. Bye.